Woo! Yeah, they did.
Whoa.
Woo!
Are those all nuts?
Yep.
Oh my god.
All right, turn this way. It's pulling from right here.
You have strong hands.
To do this all day, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I can back off.
No, it's okay. I'm
This is
just
what-
shocked.
Well,
I mean, look at how flexible you are. Oh my god.
chin back for me.
Woo. Wow.
There you go.
That was loud.
Just a minor correction here. It's not, I don't even know how much it even has.
Woo.
That's the, I don't know, that's the one that always gets me when they adjust me. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
There it goes.
Any pain in the low back when I do this?
Hip. Other hip. Perfect. See how the neck feels. Just look right and left. I'm not done by a long shot with these, but
Yeah, that feels good.
feels okay. All right, perfect. Oh, that's on the opposite side too. Interesting.
Like a knot?
Yeah, feel that one right there?
Yeah.
It's not over here. Deep breath in. Oh, yeah. Ooh, exhale, exhale. Good.
Wow.
Head up for me and down. Perfect. Deep breath in. There they go.
Whoa.
Wow. Breathe. Push. Good, 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 good. Oh, much better. But see how it's over here.
Really?
Yeah.
That side does not bother me at all.
Yeah, this is tight. Feel here. I'm gonna dig in here.
Whenever I take deep breaths, that's like when I feel this, like this stabbing the most.
Yeah. So that's a
on
rib.
that
Okay, so that's a rib. Yeah, right here, right?
side. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just I'm on it. You know, I'm right here. I went on it, and there was just nothing, nowhere to go.
Hmm.
See that?
Yeah. It's so weird.
So feels great though. Yeah, that is just tight. I'm not gonna push any harder there. Ooh, I feel one. There it goes. I'm gonna be grabbing here, okay?
Okay.
Deep breath in. This is what you need. Here we go.
Are those all nuts?
Yep.
Oh my god. There's so many.
Okay, they're tiny. Though they're tiny, but there's a lot of them.
I can like feel I can feel them.
Tiny but mighty. This arm behind you. We'll get it. There it goes. Whee! Okay, I feel it now, okay? I feel this. Yeah. So it almost separates itself into two different sections. Right at T5, it switches. At T5, you got it all over here on the right. Okay? But up higher in your back, up at the very top, it's on the left.
Weird. Ooh, yeah, that hurts.
There you go. There it goes. Done, done, done. This side doesn't have it. Okay, good. It's good that it doesn't have it. Yeah, it leads all the way down into here. Wow, look at that. Is that overly tender right there?
Not really.
Man, it's so spasmodic though. I can tell. At work,
Yeah.
this side you have a nice curve in your hip, in your waist, and this side it's all open.
I literally sit like sideways. Like, it's bad.
Try not to do that, because that's creating this problem down here. Even though it doesn't hurt right now. People come in, you know, I try to get them to come in, and they're like, well, I don't hurt. And smokers tell me the same thing.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, you don't hurt until the end. Until it's like... Doing okay? And there they go. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you're bruising already right here. Bruiser in the house.
Oh no.
I'm just kidding. No, we've seen much worse. If it's too sharp, you let me know, okay? But this really, really helps.
Yeah.
So I take an edge, and I can comb right through it. It feels great. Ooh. Yeah, you're really bruising.
What does that mean?
Just a lot of inflammation.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah.
Got a knot there. I'm barely touching it too.
I would assume there has to be on that right side because I feel like I'm just always like pulling at it or like.
Let's find out. Just lightly run it on your spine.
Mm-hmm.
On this arm above your head again. Do underneath the armpit. Get that little attachment there. Doing all right?
Mm-hmm.
This one's real tender, so I'm asking. I feel that. Ooh. I'm gonna have to stop in a second. It's a lot of inflammation in there. We'll show you in a second, okay? So you're not like, what did it do?
Yeah.
Nah, there's nothing over here. I'm searching. No, there's nothing here. Let me check on this side. Ooh. Okay. Okay, this is what you're saying, you feel it, so I'm gonna get your hair all a mess.
Okay.
It's just the way it is. I'm searching. Okay. Still side. I definitely see the pull on the right. Ears, okay? No? Yes?
No, yeah.
Okay.
It's crazy.
I'm gonna wait for the lean away from me.
Woo!
Yeah, they did.
Whoa. That was weird.
I promise I won't take your ear off. That was nothing there. Great. Just the bottom on that side. I don't know if it'll be over here. I won't know until I do it. Lean away.
Woo! That's such a weird feeling.
Sorry. Nothing there.
It feels like your ears gonna get ripped off.
But
it
promise
doesn't.
it's not. I would never do that. But great. No, good feel. It feels good.
Yeah.
Just a little bit stuck on the bottoms. But nothing crazy.
I feel like I can hear better. Does that make any sense?
Probably. It aligns the eustachian tubes.
It's just, I don't know. Feels like I can hear more.
I'm just checking here, make sure you're okay. The tension headaches and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they can go, all up into here. Doing okay so far?
Yeah.
Elbow back and towards mine. Good. Relax here. Lean away. Good. Oh, feel great. It's right there. Now go.
Ooh.
Elbows feel great. There we go. And take a deep breath in. Ooh. I got you. You're not going to fall. I've got your body. There it is. I'm going to pull you down a little bit here. Open up the chest a little bit.
Ooh.
Yeah, almost got it all. There it is. On your back. More. Woo! Yeah, good job.
Wow.
Doing
that was
okay?
hard, yeah.
Now is the red. Yeah, the pink went away. Now we just have the purple. Do you have like a jacket?
They're gonna think I got beat up.
I have to give you something when you leave here. Bend your knees.
Jail.
If you want a lot of more pressure, arms go up and over. Oh, I can't speak anymore. There you go. Yeah, go ahead and get it. Yeah, I mean, I live on that thing. I have a lateral scoliosis up there. I was like, you know
Yeah, it
what?
does feel
I
good.
need something in between my shoulder blades. But the foam roller, I'm just teetering on this
Yeah,
thing.
I
you know?
normally end up going like this way to try
Yeah,
to
but
like,
you're
flex my
but you're
back
pulling
out.
it forward.
Yeah.
You need it back. What you got in a fight?
I think I did it.
Oh my gosh, it's so bad. It doesn't feel that bad.
No.
Whoa.
It goes away. But I haven't had a bruiser like that in a little bit. It's
Holy
been about a
crap.
week since I've had somebody like that.
Crazy.
And I really didn't push that hard.
No, it didn't feel like you did at all, honestly.
It
Like when
only
I've seen your
happens-
videos, I'm always like, God, that must hurt so bad, and it really didn't hurt.
Nah.
I have a standing desk now.
Good.
So
I mean, it is a mind thing at
I
the beginning.
do try to stand more, but
Yeah, please stand more. Women, for their pelvises, tend to have to stand like this. Don't do this.
I'm literally doing that right now. I'm sitting
It's
here watching
okay.
you like this.
So take a step forward. You'll see you won't have anywhere to go. Okay.
Yeah.
Take a step forward. Just take a step forward now. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now try to lean on one leg. Does it feel right?
No.
Just like, let me get that one. If you were like this, ooh, you understand? It
Yeah.
feels weird, and you're gonna want to stand because you're not stable.
Right.
So women tend to do this. Some men don't have that. Men feel
Yeah.
stable this way.
I do that a lot. Like I
Yeah, you're
stand
good.
like this a lot.
Right. So tell her when you see her.
I've never noticed that till just now.
Yeah, but that will pull on this side.
That makes sense.
So don't stand at your desk is my point. This like this. You must be staggered.
Okay.
Now you won't feel the need to. You won't be able to.
Right.
And let me know how it goes.
Yeah. I feel
If
great.
you're sore, if you're like, oh, you wake up tomorrow, oh my god, I feel sore. Try not to sleep on your stomach like that.